moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The Bitcoin ETF has been approved in 2024. This is a massive milestone, and it's already shaking up the crypto market. But what does this really mean? How does it change institutional investing? And what does it mean for Bitcoin's future? Let's break it all down. Chapter 1. What is a Bitcoin ETF? Before we dive into the impact, let's quickly cover what a Bitcoin ETF, exchange-traded fund, actually is. A Bitcoin ETF allows investors to buy Bitcoin without directly holding it. It trades just like a stock on traditional markets, making it easier for institutions and retail investors to get exposure to Bitcoin without dealing with wallets, private keys, or exchanges. Chapter 2. Why the Bitcoin ETF approval matters. This approval is a huge deal for several reasons. First, it brings legitimacy to Bitcoin, showing that regulators are finally accepting it as a mainstream asset. Second, it opens the floodgates for institutional investors. We're talking about hedge funds, pension funds, and banks that previously hesitated due to regulatory concerns. And third, it means more liquidity and a potential price surge for Bitcoin. Chapter 3. Institutional investors are now in. One of the biggest obstacles for institutions has been regulatory uncertainty and custody risks. Now, with an ETF, they can buy Bitcoin through traditional brokerage accounts without worrying about security, compliance, or volatility risks. This could mean billions of dollars flowing into Bitcoin over the next few years. Chapter 4. The market impact. What's next for Bitcoin? So, what happens next? Historically, ETF approvals in other asset classes like gold led to major price increases. Many analysts believe the same could happen with Bitcoin. We could see more adoption, increased liquidity, and even a new all-time high for BTC. Chapter 5. Will altcoins benefit too? It's not just Bitcoin that benefits. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF could open the door for Ethereum ETFs and even ETFs for other major altcoins in the future. This could boost the entire crypto market and accelerate mainstream adoption. The Bitcoin ETF approval is one of the biggest milestones in crypto history. We're entering a new era where institutions are finally recognizing Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. But what do you think? Will Bitcoin hit a new all-time high because of this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on everything crypto.